So tomorrow, Sky Conway or Raw Sky is doing a online Raw party, and this is happening on her YouTube channel, and we're also celebrating her birthday and I think Miranda's birthday as well. So I'm gonna make, not tomorrow, sorry, it's on Wednesday. So I wanted to make the blue ice cream to bring to the online party. Yeah, and I'm gonna be using my blue spirulina powder for that. Yeah. So ooh, I forgot. I think this one is a bit hard, but I think I have another packet which is not so hard. Let me just pin the comment here. Oh, it's a bit dark. Let me turn on the lights. Hold on. I didn't turn on my ring light. Yeah. And I'm gonna make this in the Ninja Creami. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna blend it out and then eventually use the Ninja Creami for that. Okay. Let me see. Let me pin the comment. Yeah. So this is like I'm testing out this recipe. I've made one before, but I'm using different ingredients today because I think the last one I made was with sweet potato, so that was a bit cooked. So this is a raw party, so I'm gonna make it raw. What I'm planning to use is I'm gonna I realized I put the dates in here, but then I need to it's okay. I need to actually take it out afterwards. Anyway, alright, I'll tell you what I use. 1 cup of water, and then I'm using tiger nuts to make tiger nut milk. So if you're wondering what this is, let me read to you. Contrary to the name, tiger nuts are not actually a nut, but rather a small root vegetable used by plants to provide energy and nutrients. What do you mean by a small root vegetable used by plants? I don't know. Anyway, unique sweet nutty flavor and chewy texture. Yeah. So anyway, I soaked this last night. Yeah, and then I've rinsed them twice. This is how it looks like now. So we're gonna use, I put in a 1/4 cup of that, and then I have some apples here which are oxidizing soon, so I need to quickly make it. I just cut it. And then I have Mazafati dates, and then I'm using vanilla powder, and then we're using the blue spirulina powder. Okay, so let me make the tiger nut milk first. Put in the blender. We'll put the tiger nuts in, and then we'll put the water without the date. Yeah. Okay, and just blend it up. I'm using my Thermomix. Like one of my favorite nut milk, plant-based milks, but expensive. Okay, so we'll strain this. I can use this to make. Do I use this pulp as part of the? ice cream actually. I don't know whether it will blend well. Yeah. Hello, Asamat. We're making blue ice cream. This is a raw vegan version because the last version we had was sweet potato. Yeah. Yeah. I wonder what this tastes like. It's nice and nutty. Yeah. Maybe we can use it as a help for the next batch. I'll use that and plantains. I don't know. Yeah. Now I remember why I always just use cashews, because it's so much easier. And cashews are so creamy. I don't like using nut milk bags. I find like I just don't like washing nut milk bags. Yeah. Okay. Just scraping everything down. Although, I think if they work as a thickener, it doesn't really matter, does it? Okay. So now we have the milk. Then we blend in the rest of the things together. So, we put in the milk. And then we'll put in the dates. I'm just gonna check to make sure that I've already taken off all the pits, but I want to make sure that I do it. Because when I used to teach in-person classes, someone will always leave the pit in somehow. Yeah, okay. Dates go in. And then we have the... Oh, I was supposed to blend out the apples first. I need to write down the recipe because I'm just like testing this. So, okay, let me put all this out again. Sorry. Let me write my... Next time I need to write my step by step first. Okay, because I don't know how much like one apple will blend up to. So let's try. So I'm processing the apple. I want to get like half a cup of apple. If I can. If I can't, that's what the apple looks like. If I can't, then I'll put in some plantains as well. Yeah. But it's one whole apple, so I should be able to. Oh, I should have weighed it. Maybe I can still weigh it. And the rest I just eat the apple. Okay. Container keep my apple. Just like everything is used. How's everybody doing today? So yesterday we went, Mr. Jazz Guitarist was at a jazz festival, performing at a jazz festival, so I packed all my food to go there, which was a good idea. Oh, okay, just to let you know, Kathy Hester has a whole food plant-based Ninja Creami ebook. She has a whole collection. There's ebook 1, ebook 2, ebook 3, and also a course on how to make whole food plant-based recipes in the Ninja Creami. So if you want to get it, the Queen, oh thank you. If you want to get it, the links to those ebooks are in the description. Not in the link in my bio actually. Not in the description right now. Depending on where I put it, yeah. And then whole food plant-based Ninja Creami ebook 2 is actually on sale right now, and I made a lot of recipes from there, so it's really good recipe. So if you are interested in getting that, please go check that out. Okay, let's weigh the how much this is. I'm gonna make sure that it's like really packed. Okay, it's really packed. So half cup, right? See, I want to weigh it and then I don't put the scales on. Okay. I need to write everything down. I have like menopause brain fog, which is not fun. 122 grams. Okay. Remember that for me, Mr. Jazz Guitarist. Ha. Alright, okay, so now let's put back. We have the plant-based milk, the tiger nut milk. Hello John Mellon, hello, this boat is full. Okay, and then we have the apples, and then we have the dates, so that's going in as well. Okay, and then I want to put in vanilla powder because I finally got around to buying the vanilla powder. I've been hearing Chef AJ and Kathy Hester and a lot of people talk about the vanilla powder, but it's so expensive here. Yeah, it's super expensive. It's like for 50 grams, it's like 144 ringgit. Yeah. This is 144 ringgit. Yeah, so I'm like, ugh. Anyway, I got around to buying this, and then we made vanilla ice cream. And then Mr. Jazz Guitarist liked the vanilla ice cream very much, so so please buy an ebook so that it will go to support my vanilla powder for fun. Yeah, so we're gonna use half a teaspoon of vanilla powder. Yeah, so this is pure vanilla powder, not the cheap one. The cheap one is like white. This is actually pure. Ooh, it smells really good. Vanilla powder. The other thing is, you're not supposed to store it in the fridge. I stored it in the fridge. And then I read it, I was like, ooh, it actually says, store in cool, dry place, do not refrigerate and avoid sunlight. So, my mistake. And then we'll put my blue spirulina powder. We'll do 2 teaspoons of that. Yeah, let me see. Most powerful antioxidants has anti-inflammatory properties, may lower cholesterol, may have anti-cancer properties, and may reduce blood pressure. So yeah. Hello, Happy Spice One. Alright, so that's how the blue looks like. Ooh. yeah, I put in one of those things so that it won't, yeah. Just a bit more. Okay. Alright, we will blend this up and see how it looks like. And also taste it. Blendy, blend. Okay, let's taste this. Maybe we'll pour it out in here and I can taste it a little bit. Oh, it's not too dark. Oh, it's very vanilla-y. It's confusing because it's vanilla, but it's blue. I think it's sweet enough. It's like apple, vanilla. Yeah. Okay. So it doesn't come up to the fill line. Wait, we'll still need to put this as well. The thing about Thermomix is so much gets stuck on the cover when you do high, not high, when you blend it at high speed, like speed 10, then it like, you know, goes up so high. Yeah, I tried this the last time with sweet potato. Not everybody liked it. So I think I'm gonna stop using, because I steam the sweet potato. I don't know whether if I use roasted sweet potato, whether there's a difference. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, the Ninja Creami eBook 3 has one of my recipes as well. Who buys Ninja Creami eBook 3? When I used to do pop-ups, I served this recipe, the exact recipe. No, not the exact recipe. A similar recipe because she made it whole food plant-based. When I did it, it had coconut oil. Yeah. But she made it non-coconut oily. Without coconuts. I think using coconut extract. I should revisit that ice cream recipe actually. I don't know. Although I'm like, hard to get good passion fruit nowadays though. Yeah. Oh, the good ones are very expensive. But anyway, yeah, go check out the Whole Food Plant-Based Ninja Creami ebook by my friend Hester. You buy using my affiliate link, I get, you'll be supporting my work. I get a small commission to no extra cost to you. Yeah. So, yeah. Check out the links. Okay, I think it's just a bit more. Just a bit more. I'm wondering what I want to do is, I think I might just like put coconut as the, Yeah, coconut flakes as the decoration. Haven't decided yet. Yeah, but it's gonna like. Okay, so this is the ice cream mixture, and then I think I will spin it on the show itself. So I'll see you guys on YouTube. The link is in Sky's post. Yeah, she's tagged me as well, so you can see it there. Okay, thanks so much for watching. We will show you how this goes on Wednesday morning Malaysian time. Yeah, bye. Hi guys, so the other day I made the blue ice cream. We've tried a bit of it, but this was we tried it on Sky's YouTube channel, so now I wanted to show you this. Also let Mr. Jazz Guitarist taste it. So this one has 1 cup of water. Actually, you can watch the previous live to see what I put in and how I made it. Basically 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of tiger nut milks, I think 11 Mazafati dates, vanilla powder, half teaspoon vanilla powder, yeah, and the two teaspoons of blue spirulina powder. What did I use as a thickener? Oh, apple. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna spin it and see how it turns out, and then get Mr. Jazz Guitarist to do a taste test. Alright, put it in, slide it up, click it on, turn it on, use Lite Ice Cream. I will be back because it needs to spin. Alright. See how it is. Ooh. There you go. Oh, I forgot to pin the thing. Hello, Killa. Lovely. So, Kathy Hester is actually doing a sale on her Ninja Creami ebook too. So go check it out. The link is in the description. I've been making a lot of her recipes. This is my recipe though, but been inspired by a lot of her recipes and the thickeners and things like that. But yeah, I am trying out the tiger nut milk because I really like it. Ooh, I need to get the topping. I didn't get the toppings. Oh well, never mind. I do want to eat it without that. Maybe I'll put the coconut. Ooh, here you go. And then two. Ooh, how exciting! Three. Actually, I think I'll get Mr. Jazz Guitarist to eat from the pint itself because I want to take pictures of this. Yeah, like proper pictures this time. Oh my god. So pretty! Let me go and get some coconut as well. So I have some coconut fake chips. Hello, Lucy. Thank you for the lights. Hey, there you go. And then let's get Mr. Jazz Guitarist to try it. Mr. Jazz Guitarist. You can try it from the pint. Because I want to take a picture of this. Here.
I can try it from the what?
Yeah, pint. Because I want to take a picture of this.
Oh wow.
Okay,
I'll try it from the... Hello. Wow, there's a lot of flavor.
Ah, do you taste the vanilla?
Yeah, it's nice. Wow, that's really a lot.
And then I use the tiger nut milk.
Wow, that tastes so good.
Ah, I put the tiger nut milk. And it's got apple.
Wow, it's so many kinds of flavor.
I like the vanilla.
The vanilla.
Oh, yeah,
The vanilla is so good.
I do have the My Beauty powder here in the fridge.
Wow. Can I still sit here?
Okay.
Do I need to move? No.
Up to you. I don't think anyone's watching, or one person's watching. Oh. But I guess I should end so I can take a picture.
Oh, okay, I'll move.
No, it's okay. You can stand there. I'll just say. Okay, so go check out the links in the description. Kathy Hester has a new Ninja Creami ebook 3. Link is in the description. The Ninja Creami ebook 2 is right now on sale. It's 20% off. It's 19 something. I think 1990 instead of 24.90. And there's a Ninja Creami ebook 3. Okay. That's all for now. I'll see you in another one. Bye.
Bye bye. It's very nice.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.